Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your notification settings on Toloka, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, after that click on the three lines at the top of the screen, then click on the settings. And then if you scroll down you can see the notification settings. Click on that so you can get notified about tasks nearby. If you want that you can turn that on. Alright, and allow all the time. Okay, and you can get notification about successful withdrawal error, wallet linked. After that, skill assigned, account blocked, account unblocked, news and offers, and new messages. So this is the notifications that you can get. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.